Hey guys, we received this headlights, flashlight head LED baseball cap. So this is actually a cap with a LED light on the top. This is very helpful like when you are walking or going in a dark place. So you can use this light. So the first impression, this is a really nice cap with a good, the size. And this is the instructions how you can use this headlight or the LED light. So you can see like from the corner, the quality wise, this is a nice hat. And then it fits really well too. With this in the cover, you can see this LED light. So this have a inbuilt USB. So here you can see this have a inbuilt USB here that you can charge this LED light. So it's a rechargeable light, and you can just press with a different dim and then off. So there's a really nice, innovative cap with the LED light in it, and you can just charge and put it back and then use it. With this foam cover on the top, you will not feel anything on your head, and then you can easily wear it. So here, how you can charge this? You can see the red light.